to all my Lovin light beings, welcome back to my station. For those of you who are new, my name is Shawn Ivan D, and this is Green. And I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I was actually having some issues. As you can see here, I'm still kind of recovering. I'll insert a photo here of what it looked like about a month ago. Oh my gosh, it was so terrible. Any advice for you guys out there that are having skin issues? Do not attempt to pick on them yourself. Please go see a professional, a dermatologist. I suffered for it for a long while. I was on antibiotics for about a week. But I finally feel comfortable enough to put my face back on camera. And this here's my little buddy Green. Say hi, don't be shy. He's definitely shy. He gets camera shy when I try to record him and do his tricks, but we've been able to do some lately. Say hi. Hello, YouTube world. Hello, everybody. Oh, you're so lazy and tired. You say hi. Look. Let him see you. Say hi. Say hi. Who's that? Over there. Who's that? Okay. So without further ado, today we're going to be doing an unboxing. And I was saving my subscriptions for the past 2 months. I was actually planning on doing a comparison, like a Sephora versus Sephora. And so we're going to go ahead and start with the month of September. This is my September Sephora Play box. So let's go ahead and open it up. Here's a little pamphlet that comes inside. And inside it has the description of all the products. One thing that I noticed was they started sending them in these plastic, kind of like a Ziploc bag, which is kind of neat. It's actually good for traveling. That way you can put some liquid products in there and throw them in your luggage, and you wouldn't have to worry about them leaking. So for the month of September, the first thing we see in here is this Marc Jacobs Flawless Shameless, sorry. It says Flashback to the Future. A long wear, medium coverage foundation that contains visibly undetectable SPF. So that's pretty awesome. I actually believe I might have had one of these before. So let's go ahead and check out the next item. This is by Sephora, Lash Craft. Big volume mascara in black. Full volume mascara with a buildable formula that coats lashes in intense black color. And this actually might be my second one from them as well. So going in further, this is the Ole Henriksen. It says, this is the Truth Serum, an effective serum formulated with vitamin C that brightens and hydrates the skin. And it says, apply a dime-sized amount to clean, dry skin, let it absorb before following with moisturizer. So I don't have anything on my face right now. Let's go ahead and try it out. I've been wanting to do this, try the Ole Henriksen products for a while now. So this is actually 0.25 fluid ounces, so that's a real tiny amount. It's pretty liquidy. I don't know if you can see that there. It smells really citrusy. Nice and clean. It's a little bit tacky. Let's see what else it says. This fast-absorbing formula visibly firms skin with collagen and revitalizes with vitamin C. Orange and green tea extracts nurture skin while aloe juice softens and conditions. Okay, so the tackiness went away pretty quickly. I really do like it. It's kind of more on the expensive side, but we'll give that a try and see how we like that. The next thing I see in here is by Bascia, B-O-S-C-I-A, Cactus Water. Oh, sorry, Green. A lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night cactus for soft, supple skin. This fast-absorbing solution is formulated with Queen of the Night cactus to hydrate, nurture, and revive skin, plus the peptide complex repairs damage due to dehydration and visibly improves skin tone and elasticity. So let's go ahead and try this as well. It has a nice clean scent to it. How to use: morning and night. Cleanse and tone skin, then apply a quarter-size amount of moisture to face and neck. So, that's a little bit more tacky, but it'll probably dry up and go away. So that's that. And there's a couple more things in here. Radical Reviver Two-Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. This is so cute. I actually have one of these, and it's right here. Except this is a setting spray. There it is. So that's really awesome. That would be so cute for travel. A replenishing primer hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. And then the last thing in here, I'll go ahead and put a picture of it up right here. I had actually already given it to my mom. It's called Philosophy Amazing Grace Ballot Rose Eau de Toilette. It says, this fragrance captures the quiet strength of a ballerina with the delicate scent of pink rose petals and sparkling lychee. With a diverse range of skincare, hair care, and scents, Philosophy promotes beauty that enhances well-being and encourages joyous living. So that's it for our September box. Let's jump right into the next one. Once again, Sephora, Play by Sephora. This one is for October. There's my little 50 points. I'll probably go and spend that tomorrow. Or not spend it, but buy something and redeem this. You get 50 points with every monthly subscription, and you do have to make a purchase in order to gain those points, but they do add up quickly, and there is no limit to what you have to buy to earn your points. So once again, there's another package, or here's the packaging showing the list of all the products. So the first thing in here is by Chloe, another scent. What are you eating? Give that to me. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. Give me that. Got some packaging. Little boys, they're so hard to take care of compared to girls. I swear, he gets into everything. But it could be just too that he's a puppy. Oh, so anyways, going back to the Chloe. It says, a classic scent that combines rose and peony to embody the confident, free-spirited woman. So I'll give this to my mom again. I've been giving her all my perfumes and girly girl stuff, so she's gonna really like that. When she has enough samples and she uses it and likes it, we'll probably go and get her the full size. We have done that with a few of the brands already. I know she really liked the Viva La Juicy, and there was another one by Clinique we had gotten her just a few weeks ago. Okay, so without further ado, here's another Purity Made Simple. and it's by Philosophy. A gel formula that visibly reduces the appearance of puffiness and bags under the eyes. Oh, so cool. So I haven't tried this yet. I have tried the moisturizer. So let's go ahead and try this out right now. I'm just going to put a little bit on our fingers there. Let's see how we like this. I might have put a little too much, but that's okay. A lot of these under eye products, I'm glad that I went to Sephora and like Nordstrom and I was able to get the samples, because there was quite a few of them that I really did not like. They would burn my eyes and I would wake up in the morning with like a lot of gunk. So I've quit using those and I took them off my list of, or put them on my list of what not to get. This does feel a little tacky too. My skin is still a little tacky from the cactus water. The next thing in here is by Anastasia, the highlight of the night. Anastasia Beverly Hills, a pale yellow light to full coverage foundation stick with a demi-matte finish. Oh, so it's a foundation stick. Awesome. And there you go, that's it. That's the full size. That's what you get in this product. Not very much, maybe enough for 1 or 2 uses at the most. Just enough to give it a try and see if you like it. Next in here we have the Benefit Gimme Brow Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. And I don't know if that's the same as this. This is a 24-hour brow setter. I thought it might be the same. And it's in the number 5. And I believe we got my mom the number 5 in the Cabrow. Gimme Brow Plus. And it just looks like this. I don't know if it has too much color to it. Let's go ahead and see there. Yeah, a little bit. It does have a little. So you can't really tell the difference between my eyebrows. But I'll probably give this to my mom as well and see if she likes it. Give it a try, and if she likes it, we'll go get her the full size too. This is one of my favorite things. I've used this for a long time now, actually about a year. This is the Tagless Vino Perfect Serum, and I actually got a few more. They had them at Sephora for your 100 points, and this is my second bottle. I've got about that much left in there, and I'm just in time for a refill of that. So that's really sweet. I really enjoy that Vino Perfect Serum. I usually put it on my face before my moisturizer, but it feels really good on the skin. It's nice and clean. It doesn't have a stickiness to it, and it just makes you feel like you're getting some moisture and hydration. Okay, the very last thing in our October Sephora Play box is this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, a hydrating primer that refreshes skin and protects it from environmental pollutants. Rainforest of the Sea Quenching Hydrating Primer. Awesome, so that's pretty cool. So that was my September versus October Sephora Play. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Everybody say hi to Green. Hi guys. Love you. Glad to get to know you. We've been having so much fun together. He is just the new light of my life. We have been enjoying each other's time so much, bonding, and I've been taking him everywhere. We actually got kicked out of one of the malls. They told me that we couldn't have dogs in the mall in or out of a bag, on or off of a leash. So, but anyways, I have an appointment on Monday. I'm going to take him to my provider, and hopefully they'll be able to write me a prescription for him as an emotional support animal. I don't know if many of you know this or not, but Bitsy was my registered emotional support animal, and she would go everywhere with me. There was a few places where we had trouble, but that's water under the bridge, and we're just starting out new and starting out fresh. So love you guys. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and we'll be posting a lot more videos soon. Bye bye.